Hello and welcome to a new episode how to learn JavaScript from beginner to advanced. Today we'll learn about other versatile flexible method of array in JavaScript. His name is reduce method array in JavaScript. Reduce is versatile like splice, for example, another versatile and flexible method. Let's see the syntax of this flexible method of array. This is the syntax: array.reduce and the function array reduce and function. Almost all method of arrays have this syntax: array dot method and function, no, a callback, or array dot method and callback. Inside this callback you put just a value. If you, for example, you want to see if exists an element like include or other method. Okay, let's see first example for this array. For begin, let me to explain you what represent this reduce method. This reduce method is used to loop through an array and compress all its elements into a single value. If you want to return a single value of array through an array, you can use this. For example, if you want to show the value who from array is the highest number, or do you want to return the sum of all elements, the multiplies, or other value. Okay, it can be used for operations such as sum of elements, calculation, grouping of data, concatenation of string, and many others. This reduction function will be called for each element. It has the following parameter. You have accumulator, current element that are mandatory but optional, index or array. Accumulator is variable that store in the intermediate result, and element is the current element. Let's see, because just to practice we will understand how it works, this method. We have an array, let's number, with 4 elements, and I want to show the sum of them. I want to return the sum of them, no? Okay, let's see how to do this. I create a new variable, let's sum equal numbers, the name of array. Now this is syntax dot reduce, and here I have a callback. In this callback I have two parameters, accumulator and number, who return accumulator plus number, comma, and I put here 0 because this is initial value. My calculations start from this initial value. The first iterate, when I iterate at the first iteration, I have 0 plus 10. After this, 10 plus at the second iteration, no, 10 plus 20. At the third iteration, 20 plus 3, 13. At the fourth iteration is 13 plus 14. Okay, and let's see the output. For see the output, should to console.log sum, console.log this variable sum. Let's see the result. Uncode. Okay, console.log many letters, 100, 10 plus it's okay, no, it's okay, it works, no, it works. Let's analyze one more time. Numbers that reduce, accumulator The accumulator is a variable that stores the intermediate result for 0 plus 10 is 10. Now accumulator is 10. After 10 plus 20 is 13. Accumulator is 13 because we have here accumulator, and the num is current element. We have here 0 because we start from 0. Initial value is the start 0, and of course it's include this 0, this element, it is included in function. If I put here for example 1 is element who don't modify when I work with multiply, no, and I put here multiply, accumulator multiply number, but I put that initial value 1 because it's neutral element for multiply. I will obtain the result of multiply of this element. Okay, let's see another example. Let's comment this. 2 seconds, Shift Alt A. I have multi-line comments. Finding the largest value. Let's to find the largest value. Finding the largest value. The largest value is this, no, 130. We have a max number with numbers that reduce. With in this callback I have two parameter, accumulator and current element. Accumulator is max and current element is num. And here is an ternary operator, if else statements, but syntactic sugar, and initial value start from numbers of 0 from 5, no? Okay, I start from 5 and I follow this function. If 5 is greater than max, is current element 12, return num, else return max. 5 are smaller than 12 and return max, return 12. Okay, after in the second iteration, because with reduce I have a loop, 12 is max and 8 is number, and I compare again and so on, and in final I will have a result. The bigger is 113. Okay, let's see another example with concatenation. If you want to concatenate more strings, you can use this reduce, because return a value, no, doesn't matter if a string. You have here an array of string. Hello from JavaScript. Let's sentence a new variable words, the name of array, dot reduce is the method, and here I have accumulator and current element. Return accumulator plus empty string plus word. After I console.log and I cut all spaces before and after string. Let's see the result. Salut din JavaScript in Romanian language. Hello from JavaScript in English. Okay. Retain these two parameters when you work with this reduce accumulator and word. Do you see here I have initial value a string, an empty string. Why is an empty string? Because doesn't affect concatenation, it's neutral. And I put this element. Okay, let's see another example. How to create an object, empty object from initial value. I have here an array of object, two objects I have here, and I want to take the age of these people. I use reduce. I create a variable let people by name, people my array dot reduce, accumulator current element person, and after this I modify accumulator of person dot name equal person dot age and return accumulator, and I have this result of object. But my goal is to show you that at initial value if you work with object, and if you want to obtain and you know that you will obtain an object, should to put an empty object. The same if you want to return an array, you should to put empty array at initial value. And let's show you with this initial array. This is, do you see here I have an empty array. The result, my function, what do my function take even number, no? If I have even number, add in with push method, add in accumulator num. Num is current element, and I have 2 and 4. That was all for today. Thank you that you follow this tutorial. I hope you understand what I say here. Have a nice day and all the best.